5 drinks that will burn belly fat in the morning. Here are 5 drinks that you can add to your morning routine to help you lose weight. First, apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is a popular natural remedy for weight loss. It is thought to help boost metabolism and reduce appetite and improve insulin sensitivity. Second, lemon water. Lemon water is a great way to start your day because it is hydrating, refreshing, and contains antioxidant. The vitamin C in lemon can help also boost immune system. Third, green tea. Green tea is another great option for morning drink because it is loaded with antioxidant and has been shown to boost metabolism. Antioxidant can help protect your cell from damage while boosting metabolism can help you burn more calories. Fourth, ginger tea. Ginger tea is a great way to soothe an upset stomach and boost your metabolism. Ginger has also been shown to help reduce inflammation while can contribute to weight gain. 5. Detox water. Detox water is a great way to hydrate your body and flush out toxins. You can make detox water by adding your favorite fruit, vegetable, and herbs to water.